think we'd head back.
All right, inform the crew.
Are we in trouble?
One of us is.
Ollie, where do you keep the bottle opener on this thing?
I'll be there in a minute, Sarah.
You know something? That is not going to finish well for either of them or for you.
1, 2, 3. It's getting closer.
It's not very scientific.
What would you know about science, Mr. Ivy League dropout?
I happen to know a lot about science. I know about fermentation. I know biology.
Laurel's gonna kill me. Oh, she's so gonna kill me.
Your sister will never know.
Okay, that one was really close.
Sarah, we're gonna be fine.